Hello everybody, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we've got another video. In this video I will be showing you how you can simply go ahead and change the order of your Instagram photo carousel there in your posts, right? So if you want to do so, first of all, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, we will simply start our video. So if you want to do so, go ahead, open your Instagram, then tap on your profile icon. So for example, I have this carousel, right? So let's say I want to put this picture in the first. So for example, since I want this to be first, right? So what I'm gonna do, tap on three dot, tap on edit. Now I will go ahead, tap on this trash icon, and I will find the pictures I want to delete. So simply just delete the pictures, delete this one, delete this one, delete. Now this is the first one I want, right? Tap on the save option. Now I only have this three, but of course I want my pictures back. So what I'm gonna do, tap on profile icon, tap on three horizontal line, your activity, and recently deleted. The thing that you have to make sure is that, like for example, if you wanted this one first, make sure to recover this one first over here. So I want this one, so I'll tap on this three dot, tap on this restore option, tap on restore again, it's restored. Again, tap on this one, tap on three dot, tap on restore, confirm, done. I will go back, refresh your profile once, tap on your carousel. You can see it's 5 now, 3, 4, 5, the pictures that we just got back. So yes guys, this is how you can simply do it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time.